Very good morning and a warm welcome to all my beloved teachers and students. Today, we are gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. The 5th of September is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, one of the greatest teachers of India. He was the first Vice President of India and an eminent scholar. Teachers are the makers of a great nation. Hence, teachers are always kept in the highest position. They guide us in our lives to become the best person. Our maths teacher not only teaches us simple or difficult problems but gives us the confidence to face problems in our lives. Our English and regional language teachers not only teach us beautiful stories and poetry but also help us to learn to communicate and appreciate the great works of literature. Our science teachers teach us not only interesting science experiments but also show us the beauty of nature and how it works when applied. Every teacher teaches us discipline, helps to develop principle and helps us to know ourselves. We spend most of our life with all these teachers, and we are grateful to them for giving us the knowledge to secure our futures and happiness. Today, we celebrate Teachers' Day to honor the difficulties faced by our teachers every day to teach us and make us capable. It is my honor to give this speech in front of my beloved teachers. It gives me immense joy to express my classmates and my gratitude towards our teachers. Thank you very much for all your love, kindness and knowledge.